Okay, this is the status of my game. So far I have a main menu. I will also have an options menu where you can have you can change the screen size and possibly the controls and volume, and yeah, volume. That's it. And the play. This is what I have. I still need to fix the movement, but that's not an issue. F sounds. The zombies, they drop items when they die, uh, such as coins and hearts. Um, I can also switch the projectile type that I wanna use. So far I only have 3, but I'll probably add more. They inflict different damage on the zombies. You cannot see, but the zombies are actually making damage on the fence, and eventually the outpost. Yeah, you can see they destroyed the fence. Now the outpost, the building is actually taking damage now. I will probably add some type of upgrade to the fence and the outpost, so that I can. Oh, I died. So that I can create a better loop. But yeah, that's all I have for now.